Hello, everybody. Right, you might see my little doggy.
Yo!
You're gonna come and make your YouTube debut. Oh, my Ridgeback. Come on then. Where's Debbie? Where's Debbie? There we go. Rhodesian Ridgebacks, wonderful creatures. Okay, so this is a fitting today. You can see here there's a little poly band that goes here for this client because he actually swims in the sea. So we use tape along here, gives it extra security in Newquay. So Newquay's known for surfing as well. So we thought about it, and there's a lace front as well. Okay, so I'm going to attach it. There should be enough adhesive on here for it to stick a bit. I think Misty's making another debut. Okay, so here we go. You poking your head around the corner. Yeah, so it's stuck on really nicely. And I'll brush it back for you to see. And I'll come up close. There's a lace, what we're known for. And that's on the mannequin head. There we go. Another appearance by Misty. And this is being fitted on Christian this morning. So this is the first part. Let's part it and come up close so you can see just how good that looks. Brush back. Have to do it gently because there's not much adhesive on the mannequin head. See if we get a nice close up. Hair for all UK, natural fronts. So I've attached the hair system before the fitting just so you can see it on the scalp. The lace gets cut off 1 mil in front of the last hair, but you can see, you know, I'm doing this regularly now. What we're known for is craftsmanship at the front. And there's just a tiny bit of adhesive there. And I can go through and part it. I can pull it and it stays. And that's how good it looks. C, as I'm calling him today, is going to have a long look. So there won't be that much cutting of the system or his own hair. So I just thought I'd put that up so you can just see just how good our hair systems look. And so he's pinned it up as well. So while we go around the sides, with C, his hair lifts in colour in the summer quite easily. So just pin that up, and so he's gonna mix that in with the system cleverly. So it's going to appear there's subtle highlights. So it's quite neat what Zoe's doing here. Don't you think? See? I've got that in video. Misty making another YouTube appearance. Okay, Mr. C is having Ghost Bond XL, and so he's using a spatula, and you can see the brown marker, and place a system a couple of mil above that. You don't put the brown marker on too close, otherwise you'll end up not being able to wipe it off when the lace wipe it off when the lace is attached. We'll do 2 layers of this, and once it's cured, we'll attach it. again, please. And again, please. Around the front. Right, so Mr. C has had his hair cut in. He's going for the longer look. And we did mention you just come up with a little rash, even though Mr. C is not going to speak, but that hasn't been caused by any of the solvents. You can nod your head. Was that true? Yeah, okay. Right, thank you. Right, okay, so with a longer hair look, it can appear on video to thicker than actually what it is. So I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to put some Tresemme conditioner in it, which is this stuff. And it gives quite a good look at the end of it. So I'll be back in a minute. I'll put some Tresemme in, which gives it hair system a bit of separation and doesn't make it look so heavy when they're new. So we do this with a lot of fittings. Mr. C is an existing client, so he's had a couple of systems off us. So I've just done this because we've left it longer. And you can see from that, it's just giving it a bit of separation.
I'll leave it there, yeah? It's just got to clean it and
The hairspray is the finishing touch.